This fitting guide is for the TA4416. Inside the box you'll find covers for the backrest, bases and headrests. First, remove the headrest from the seats. Locate the backrest cover, which is identifiable by the Town & Country logo. Undo all of the hook and loop fastenings. Before throwing it over the back of the seat like you're putting on a jacket. Secure the cover around the headrest fixings. Tuck the cover behind the seat belt. And fasten the hook and loop on the side. The bottom part can be a little bit difficult, so you may need to pull the cover tight. Lift the bases of the seat forward. And again, pull the cover down tight. Locate the base cover and undo all of the hook and loop fastenings. This hole on the cover lines up to this tab on the back of the seat. Once you have pulled that tab through, you can pull the cover down and around the base of the seat. And the cover is pulled down around the front of the seat like so. At this point, it's good to check the cover is taut. You'll now want to pull the seat forward as it makes it easier to locate the hook and loop that comes through from the front of the seat. The hook and loop is then fastened at all 4 points on the back of the seat. It's important to note that you shouldn't over tighten these hook and loop fastenings. You can now close the base of the seat. Put the headrest back into the seat. Before sliding the headrest covers over the top of them. Once they're on, you need to attach the hook and loop fastenings underneath. Here is another angle of the hook and loop so you can see how it is attached. Putting the headrest back in is the last step of installing this cover. Your seats are now fully protected.